Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Priyanka Arora Khattar, and to my kitchen, that is the Lighthouse Kitchen. Today, I am with a new recipe that is cheesy garlic bun. So, let's get started. First of all, we need some white butter. This I made at home only. You can also use Amul butter or whatever you get from your place. Then I have taken some garlic cloves and grated those cloves. I'll be adding some garlic cloves, this grated cloves to my butter, and I'll be making the garlic butter with this. A few more things are also needed in this. First of all is chili flakes, then some oreganos, very little bit oreganos, and now we'll give it a good mix. We'll thoroughly mix this garlic butter. This is our homemade butter, so it does not contain any salt or anything like that. So we'll be adding some salt also. See, 1/4 tablespoon of salt is enough. Now let's thoroughly mix it. It's almost done. Now I'll be taking my buns, burger buns, and I'll be cutting this. See, you can look at my cuts. At approximately 1 inch distance, I have given a few cuts in this bun. One side is done. Now we'll be cutting from the another side, horizontally and vertically both. You just have to fill these cuts with our ingredients. Now I'll be telling you what we'll be filling inside these cuts. The cuts is almost done. Now I'll be filling this. See, all the cuts are done. Now let's start adding our ingredients. The same way we'll fill all the buns. First of all, we'll open one cut and we'll take our garlic butter which we just made and we'll paste it inside our cut, and then on that let's put some more garlic butter. You have to spread this butter only on the sides mainly, and then we'll be adding some cheese. I have grated some cheese. Now I'll be adding this cheese. Just that way. Now our second cut, the same procedure. First of all, our garlic butter, it will be good to put the garlic butter with the help of a knife. Rest it's up to you, whatever you want to use it, whatever you feel comfortable with, you can use that thing. I was comfortable with knife, so I used that one. Now the cheese is done. Now our next cut, same way, same procedure, our butter, garlic butter. It is a very healthy breakfast recipe. You can try this. Your kids will love it, and even you will also love it. Our cheese is done. Now our last cut for this vertical one. Now let's move on to the horizontal part. This one. Same way, we'll be putting some garlic butter first. Cheese is done. Now see, it's done. The same way we'll be making our this bun also. And now let's ready our steamer. I've taken some salt in it and we'll keep it for approximately 10 minutes, and then I've kept a plate on this. Now I'll be keeping my buns. You have to keep it very carefully since it is hot. This is done now. Now I'll be covering the lid with, and we'll keep it on low flame for approximately 15 minutes and see our burger bun is ready. Cheesy garlic bun. It is very tasty. Please do try this. Thank you. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you. Take care. Bye.